Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to change your CheapAir account password. If you don't have a CheapAir account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up. We will also put a link of some of our partners who offers cheap flight tickets. To start, open the website, or click our affiliate link in the description below. Once you click on the link, you will be directed to this page. Here, you will see an option for sign in. Click on sign in. Now, sign in with your email and password. Once you're signed in, you will see several options at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the option that says My Profile. Here, you will see a section for password. On the password field, enter the new password you wish to use. Then re-enter it again on the last field to confirm. Lastly, click on Save. That's how you change your CheapAir account password. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.